infamous cameras. And I guess as you can see, this is the LED light I'm talking about. Wow, I can listen to music. That's pretty cool. Okay, so to start recording, press and hold the capture button. Let's record. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. My name is Fernando Herrera, and then today I'm going to be having an onboarding of the new Ray-Ban glasses. So they're not the ones that have like descriptions on the lenses themselves. I thought those were too clunky, but these are the ones that have the cameras on them. And so I've been trying to do more POV videos. And so long story short, I bought them. I did buy them with lenses. So I'm going to be giving some feedback as to how they fit, how pretty much heavy they feel for someone who uses glasses pretty much 24 hours, almost, like, you know, most of the day, all of the day. And then also, how does the actual lenses look, right? Like, I have prescription lenses, so are they good? Could they be better? And then finally, well, we're obviously going to put some footage, right? And why I bought them. So before we begin, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And let's go ahead and start. All right, guys, so I got the package right here. I actually opened it a little bit, but then I remember I was gonna do an unboxing, so I was like, all right, let's wait. But long story short, it's this very small package. Inside, you kind of have this nice little thing, like a little suitcase made out of cardboard. And so this is what we get. So you get a nice little box, headliner, generation 2, so it is the Gen 2. And I did get them with custom lenses, like I mentioned. So from here, you have this little puller thing that did work. And then once we open it, this is what we're getting. So we're getting a nice little leather, I would say it's leather, wow. So there's a little USB charger for the case. This must be some sort of pairing button, but I'm unsure, so we'll figure it out. And then once we open, the lenses are in here. And so the lenses are actually stuck. So we'll see, okay. So I guess that there's either magnets or they kind of go in. And as you can see, I'll put the lenses here for a moment. But inside the box, you have this like charging mechanism that I guess that's what clamps in. Yeah, suede, really nice actually case. And wow, I didn't see that, but if you actually notice and you close the case, there's a little light that comes on or off. Now, when it comes to the glasses, this is what we're getting. They definitely look kind of cool. Have some little film that we're gonna take off. And we take off, and we're gonna take off here. And so the glasses now, as you can see, look very shiny, very new. We'll see how that long lasts. And then we could see also the infamous cameras. Now, I know there's an app that we're supposed to download, and we'll get to that here shortly. But the other thing, so I guess we'll scan that here shortly. There are some other, I guess, either instructions. So getting started, so it's saying scan to get started. So I guess we're gonna scan that QR code. Very simple instructions, to be honest. Then there's like specific components, I guess. So I guess there's like a power switch, which is A. Where is A? I don't know. Oh, okay, so the glasses do have a power switch. So okay, cool. So the power switch is right there. Then the capture button, which is B. So that's gonna be right here. That's pretty cool, actually. That's nice. Camera, obviously we already know the camera. Touchpad, so I guess there's a touchpad right here. So you can actually touchpad, and I don't know what the touchpad is for. And then capture LED, that's gonna be like a little light that's gonna be right there. Speakers on F, which would be, okay, so they do have speakers apparently, that I guess you can listen, music or something. Microphones and notification LEDs. Now, I know there's some companies that actually like install something to let the LED light kind of fade out. I don't know if it's too obvious, I probably might get that. If not, then not. But the moment of truth, before I even get started, I want to see how this looks on me. So, okay, wow. How does it look? Looks different. First and foremost, the lenses are actually pretty good, so I can see clearly. I can see perfectly. They feel a little like they're squeezing my head a little bit more, but I don't know if that's something I could like change later. Different. Look like Spider-Man or something, I don't know. But anyways, we got nice little microfiber cloth for the lenses. And then we got, okay, so just safety and warranty. All right guys, so how do they actually feel? Do they feel heavier? Do they feel lighter? And I'm talking about the glasses, obviously. So these glasses are the ones I've been wearing for the last 2 years. They're pretty simple, pretty light. I actually wanted them light. And so these so far in the hour and a half that I've been wearing them, again, I do feel a little tighter on the end. I hope I don't get a headache or something. But only time will tell. I will try to give you more feedback. But as of right now, I mean, when I put these on, they don't feel actually that much heavier. They feel normal compared to these. But again, only time will tell if it's really heavier. In terms of the lens quality, I can tell the lens quality is very good. The prescription, they look fine. I also got the transition, so the shades will, turn into sunshades if I'm outside. But overall, I think they're good. Again, I would just argue that they do squeeze my back a little more, but I get it. It's so that the glasses can be there. Now, I do run sometimes. I go to play soccer, so I am very excited in testing these out to see how good they stick or how good they fall, probably. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code that says right here. So from here, it's gonna take us to Meta AI glasses. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and click on open. So I guess we're gonna get started with Meta AI. All right, so I got my information in here. I am gonna allow notifications for this. I'm gonna click on AI Meta glasses and I'm gonna click on the plus icon. And I'm gonna go ahead and do Ray-Ban Meta. So remove the protective tab on your glasses, leave the glasses inside the case so they can power on and charge. If the LED doesn't turn blue, we have to leave these glasses inside the case without the protective film. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in. They kind of click, actually very nice. And remove the protective tab to set up your glasses properly. Leave the glasses inside the case so you can power on and charge. If the case LED doesn't turn blue, press and hold the pairing button in the back for 5 seconds. Release when the case LED turns blue. So in my case is not turning blue. So we're gonna have to press this back button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright guys, so after watching several YouTube videos on how to make this work, apparently my case is either defective or they took it out because there's supposed to be something that you pull out and I don't have it. Maybe it's because mine are prescription glasses, so they took them off. Long story short, we're gonna do the no case type of pairing, see if this works. Because even if I press the button 5 times or 5 seconds, nothing happens. Like it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing happens. So I'm just gonna, supposedly, I'm gonna be taking off the glasses. I'm gonna take out the glasses from the case and supposedly we're gonna tap here 5 times. So press and hold to begin pairing. Make sure your glasses are charged. There we go. So I guess that's turned on. With both arms closed, press and hold the capture button for 5 seconds, then release when the LED taps blue. So I pressed here and then there we go. Now voila, like magic. Connect, pairing, pair. I'm excited and let's see how long this takes. There we go, now we have paired glasses. So now it's gonna ask me to join a Wi-Fi network. All right, so we get the Wi-Fi on here. All right, so it's working now. Not sure what happened there, but put on your glasses. So now I'm gonna put our glasses on. Whoa. I actually heard like some sound, so the speakers are actually pretty good. So press and capture button. To take a photo, press the capture button once. So picture time. So to start recording, press and hold the capture button. So let's record. Now we're recording. And I guess as you can see, this is the LED light we're talking about. Now, is it visible? It is actually kind of very visible, and I think it's overlapping the camera. So these guys have, in a very smart way, made it where if you hide the LED, you're probably gonna hide the camera. At least that's what they want you to think. To stop recording, press the button again. So it's walking me through, and since the glasses are connected, I guess it just knows when to go to the next step. So next thing we're gonna do is the sidebar. I guess there's like a touch bar that happens. So play music, tap the touch bar once on the side. Wow, I can listen to music. That's pretty cool. Oh my goodness. This is actually really cool, guys. It almost feels like I have yeah, you can't hear it from afar. Wow. But you put them on and you could hear really well. I don't need my AirPods anymore. I think I could just listen to music like this. And I could hear really good quality actually. Deep, rich bass. So now it's telling me now pretty much to adjust the volumes. Gets pretty loud. Let's see how loud. Doesn't sound too good if it's too loud though. I like the medium, like the half. It's pretty good. So tap okay. So we got the music paused. Great job. Now the basics. Now let's give you some advanced features. So cool. So of course we want to share all of our data and videos. God knows what we're sharing here to Meta, but thank God we trust them, right? Allow Meta to use my location. So I always say allow while using app. Keep only while using app. I don't like just, random apps having my location all the time. Hey Meta, what's the tallest building in the world? It's telling me how it's the Burj Khalifa and it's been the tallest building since 2009. So now it's telling me to ask more questions. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? So that's pretty cool. So essentially what that was, it's telling me that I could just tell Meta to tell me something and it'll just tell me and I'll actually research it very quick. So sometimes I might have a question about, I don't know, how to cook the chicken well. So now I could just, I guess, say, hey Meta, how to cook properly chicken tacos? Yeah, and you can't listen, but it's kind of giving me a recipe. But for some reason this time it didn't work. Now that you got to see the footage, I do plan on using these glasses, especially in times when I don't want to be awkwardly holding a camera or my phone. Hi. Kuya, paano? Tolo! Lusala! And it is kind of awkward sometimes. And even for me, I mean, I don't like to be the center of attention or just pushing people that letting them know I'm recording. I am probably gonna have to do something about that LED light because I personally don't like people knowing that I'm recording as well. But yeah, I mean, I'm probably gonna be using it specifically for POV. So situations when I'm like blogs, maybe even installing, maybe doing walkthroughs of warehouses. So I get to visit a lot of my customers. So oftentimes I don't have the time to be, doing this or that. So with this, I could actually just turn them off, use them, and then when I need to record something, just quickly turn them on and you know, record. So driving, like, you know, I don't know, that playing soccer, that's gonna be a big one for me too. So we'll see. I mean, I think overall it looks like good glasses, and we'll see how it holds. All right, guys, well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a simple unboxing, me unboxing, you know, these glasses. I plan on using these for tours with customers, you know, blogs, playing soccer. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. You'll probably be seeing a little more content coming from these guys. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about these. Do you have any of these? I bought these because one of my customers and one of my partners had one of these, and the videos that they were doing were actually pretty cool. So I thought, like, hey, I don't want to be awkwardly, you know, recording, even though I have some nice, cool cameras. Sometimes it's not the most appropriate, you know, just personally, I just don't feel comfortable. So this seems like a less intrusive way to be able to capture the moment, experience, and then just enjoy it. Like, I could just personally be enjoying the moment while gathering the content. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.